In this quick video, I will show you how to play or download Telegram videos on your iPhone. First of all, go ahead and launch your Telegram app and then open the chat. And all you have to need, open the video that you want to play. And now from the Telegram app, you can easily tap on this play button to play the video. Or to save the video in your iPhone gallery, just tap on this three dot and tap on save video and tap on allow full access, and the video will be saved. Go to your Photos app, and here in your Photos app, scroll down and open recently saved folder or album, and in this folder you will find the video that you just saved from your Telegram. So this is how we can play Telegram videos on iPhone. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.